Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Lenovo XT95 Pro earbuds with any MacBook. So to do this you have to first charge them for like 10 minutes by this USB-C port and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, all you have to do is just to open this charging case. You will hear the voice notification that they are turned on, and the left earbud will start blinking green and red. It means that we are in the pairing mode right now. So keep that case open. You can put it close to your MacBook. Then you have to scroll down to the system settings. Next you have to go for the Bluetooth on the left side. And then from the nearby devices list you have to select the Lenovo ThinkPlus XT95 Pro. So you have to just click connect, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.